Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up Face ID on your iPhone. Step-by-step tutorial. If you need help using Face ID to unlock your iPhone, authenticate purchases, sign in to apps, or if you're asked to enter your passcode, find out what to do. First, check for updates. Second, check your Face ID. To check your Face ID settings, go to Settings, then tap the Face ID and Passcode. If you're using iPad in landscape orientation, make sure your finger or palm isn't covering the true depth camera. If it is, an alert may appear at the top of the screen that says Camera Covered with an arrow pointing at the true depth camera. Fourth, make sure your face isn't blocked. Face ID works with many sunglasses, although Face ID with a mask isn't designed to work with sunglasses. If you're wearing sunglasses designed to block certain types of light, your sunglasses may be blocking the infrared light used by the true depth camera. Try using Face ID without your sunglasses. Fifth, make sure you're facing the true depth camera. The true depth camera has a similar range of view as when you take a selfie or make a FaceTime call. Whether your iPhone or iPad is lying on a surface or you're holding it in a natural position, make sure your iPhone or iPad is an arm's length or closer from your face. 6. Restart your device. 7. Add an alternative appearance. 8. Reset Face ID. If you still need help, reset Face ID, then set it up again. Go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, then tap Reset Face ID. And last, get a service. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.